In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vision board on Notion. If you're someone who loves organizing your thoughts and aspirations digitally, then creating a vision board on Notion can be both inspiring and practical. Notion provides a versatile workspace that allows you to create a personalized vision board tailored to your unique goals and dreams. We'll begin by opening Notion, where you can start by creating a new page. After you open Notion, head over to the left sidebar and click on the plus new page option. This is where your vision board will take shape. Name this page Vision Board to keep things intuitive and easily accessible whenever you need a burst of motivation. Once you've named your page, choose the Empty Page option to give yourself a blank canvas. This clean slate is where your future aspirations will unfold in vivid detail. Remember, your Notion Vision Board is a living document, ready to evolve as your goals and dreams do. Now, to make this page truly yours and reflective of your aspirations, let's add some visual elements. Click on Add Cover to give your page a new personality. You can select a cover image from Notion's library, or, if you have something specific in mind, upload your own picture. Maybe a serene landscape that motivates you, or an uplifting graphic that symbolizes your ambitions. Similarly, adding an icon is a great way to encapsulate the essence of your goals at a glance. Click on Add Icon to choose an emoji or upload a custom icon that resonates with the focus of your vision board. For instance, if financial success is one of your targets, you might opt for a money-themed emoji. Personal touches like these make the space feel more inviting and inspiring. By now, you should have a beautifully set up vision board page, ready for you to fill it with hopes, dreams, and concrete goals. Remember, the idea is to make this board a visual representation of your aspirations, something that speaks to you personally. Feel free to explore the myriad of customization options Notion provides. The colors, layouts, and content blocks can all be tailored to match your unique style. As you continue to develop your vision board, consider adding images, quotes, or even timelines that keep you accountable and inspired. Think of this process as cultivating a garden. You're planting seeds that will grow into your future achievements. I hope you find creating a vision board on Notion not only straightforward but also enjoyable. It's a tool that, with your creativity, can truly amplify your motivation and help you visualize the path to your dreams. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time as you transform ideas into reality with Notion.